Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my husband's Stitch Fix box for this month. So my husband gets his boxes sent to him about every 3 to 4 months, and so basically he's getting a seasonal refresh when he gets his boxes. This box will be like a late summer, early fall box for him. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be whatever you want. So when you fill out your profile, you tell them the things that you want to have sent and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least 1 item from your box, then the $20 styling fee gets applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. My husband no longer has that $20 styling fee because he was offered the Style Pass. And so basically he and I both pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to us throughout the year. And with the Style Pass, you do get to apply that $49 towards anything that you keep in your fixes as well. So it's a really good deal. So Stitch Fix has been doing a fix preview, and my husband did get a fix preview, and he did choose all 5 items in this box. So let's get into the box to see what he got. Right on top is a prepaid mailer envelope. This envelope is used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges for like a different size or something like that, you'll use this envelope. It's already labeled and ready to go. I love that shipping is free both ways. He has his envelope here that has his price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 13 for him. And then you also get your well, hello there card, which is a note from your stylist, but it also gives you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. And so I'm going to read his note real quick. It says, "Hi Scott, I'm excited to welcome you back to another fix day. How are things going there in North Carolina? I hope you're enjoying everything there is to do in the summertime before it comes to an end. I'm glad to see you had a chance to look over your fix preview. Thanks for partnering with me on this fix. I'm so happy to see you found even more polos to add to your collection." My husband loves to wear polos in the summer and fall time. "Each of these comes in a subtle pattern that is great for adding options to your wardrobe. I see you're up for trying another pair of colored pants. This style is going to fit differently than the styles you've kept in the past with a more fitted look. Will you let me know how these work out? Are you still interested in a pair of cargo shorts? Feel free to let me know. Until then, I hope you enjoy everything in this box. Your stylist, Melissa." And so you've got your style suggestion cards right here, which are always nice to have. And so here's a look at his bundle. He has 1 pair of pants, and the rest of them are long sleeve or polo tops. All right, so first off is something by Owen Algo, the Arrieta Microstripe Performance Polo in navy. And so he has several polos by this brand. They're really soft. I think they're made from recycled water bottles, which is really cool. But it's this navy polo. It's really soft and stretchy. It has like a dark black micro stripe in it, so it's like a black on a navy. So yeah, I think he'll like that one. He does have something similar to this, but I think it's in black and gray. We'll see. The next item is by Threads for Thought. It is the Tanner Black Fleck Triblend Jersey Polo, and it says in light pink. I don't know that I would call this light pink, but maybe. It's kind of like a purpley pink color. It's kind of got the mixture of like black and white flecks throughout it. If you get real close, you might see like a little bit of striping in there. So just another polo. Not as soft as this one, but it's nice. And I know he'll like that color. So he did pick out 1 long sleeve shirt, and it's by Fleck and Anthem, the Corbin Performance Icon shirt in navy. So it says navy, but it's actually a kind of a lighter blue with maybe a navy plaid print on there. Does have 1 pocket on the front. And it does have a rolled up cuff. I'm not sure if he'll like that. He'll probably unroll it if I know him. So we'll see what he thinks about that. And then next, to add to his collection of the 01 Algo soft polos, we have this one, the Jack Performance Polo in blue. And I think he has this polo in like purple and teal and black, and he just really likes them. So it's a light blue color. Again, it's super soft and stretchy, and it washes and wears very well. It's made from recycled water bottles, so it's really soft, really nice polos. And then last but not least are the pants. They are by Fleck and Anthem, the Wallburg Oakland Fit Pant in navy. And so she did say that these are a little more fitted than he is used to, so we'll see how that works because he tends to like a more relaxed fit. But they're a navy pant. So he likes to wear pants like this to church with like maybe the long sleeve dress shirt or a nice polo shirt. So it's a really dark navy. It does have the pockets on the back. It's very soft. So I'll be interested to see what he thinks about these pants since she says that they are more fitted. All right, I'm gonna go have him do a try on and I'll be right back to let you know what he thinks about all of these items. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And my husband loved everything in this fix. I was really worried about the pants when the stylist note said that the pants were a little bit more fitted, but they fit him perfectly. And he really liked everything in this box. So let's talk about the prices real quick. The first item on the list is the 01 Algo, the Arrieta Microstripe Performance Polo in navy, and that's this one right here. He loves this brand from Stitch Fix. They say that they're quick dry, moisture wicking, resist bacterial odors. They have UPF 40, and they're partially made with recycled water bottles, and they are so soft and they wash and wear very well. And the price of this shirt is $45. Next is also by 01 Algo, the Jack Performance Polo in blue, and this one is $42. We knew that he would love this one because he has it in several different colors, so that was a good one. Again, made with the recycled water bottles, really soft. It's just a really good brand. And then next is Fleck and Anthem, the Corbin long sleeve performance icon shirt. This is the most expensive item in the box. It is $69.50. It's a long sleeve dress shirt, so I expect to pay more for shirts like this. The pants were also by Fleck and Anthem, the Wallburg Oakland Fit Pant in navy, and these are $59.50. I think that's a great price for pants. And then last but not least is by Threads for Thought, the Tanner Black Fleck Triblend Jersey Polo. And it says it's in light pink, so you could say it's a light pink. My husband and I both thought it was a little bit more like a purple. And so my husband really liked the color of this polo. We said it would go really well with some black pants or some dark gray pants, so we like that one as well. And this one was $48. And so the stylist pick subtotal is $264. If you buy all 5 items, you get that 25% discount, which would take off $66. That would leave him with an order subtotal of $198. But then he has a $50 credit where somebody used his referral link. And so that would take off $50. And so his order total will be $148 for all 5 items. So you guys tell me what you think. What was your favorite item from his box? I know we're definitely keeping all 5 items. The prices are good. So my husband really dislikes shopping, and this is perfect for him to get the clothes shipped to the house. He can try them on in the comfort of our own home, and then we can decide what he likes and what he doesn't like. He just really doesn't like the process of going out to the malls and trying things on. I am going to leave his $50 referral link in the description box below if it is still active. If it's not, I'll put the $25 link in there for you. If you click on that referral link, you'll get $50, which means it will waive your styling fee, so you won't have to pay anything up front. Everything will get shipped to you for free, and then you'll try it on, and then you'll decide what you like, and you'll have $50 to put towards anything that you decide to keep. Stitch Fix is really convenient, and I love that you only pay for what you keep. So if you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.